Can American legal rights be suspended during a national emergency? In recent days, a pressing question has emerged. Can American legal rights be suspended during a national emergency? With various events unfolding, many are seeking clarity on this important issue. Understanding the legal landscape can help individuals navigate their rights during uncertain times. American legal rights are generally protected, even in emergencies. However, certain rights may be limited temporarily under specific legal frameworks. The United States Constitution does not allow for a complete suspension of constitutional rights. Instead, some rights can be restricted in narrowly defined ways during emergencies. These restrictions are subject to judicial review and legislative oversight. Historically, there have been instances where rights were curtailed during emergencies. For example, President Abraham Lincoln suspended the writ of habeas corpus during the Civil War. This allowed for detention without immediate judicial review. During World War II, President Franklin D. Roosevelt authorized Japanese internment camps, which restricted the rights of Japanese Americans. After the events of September 11th, the government expanded surveillance and detention powers. In these cases, such measures were temporary and often faced legal challenges or political consequences. This reinforces the principle that rights cannot be permanently suspended. The National Emergencies Act and other statutes provide the president with certain powers during declared emergencies. These powers include controlling trade or imposing tariffs. However, these powers do not extend to suspending fundamental constitutional rights outright. Executive actions under these laws are subject to legal and political checks. For instance, recent executive orders related to trade and national security have been issued under these statutes. However, they do not suspend constitutional protections. Legal experts and courts emphasize that emergency powers must not undermine the rule of law or constitutional protections. Executive defiance of court orders or attempts to bypass constitutional norms can weaken legal protections. This can lead to political and judicial pushback. The balance between national security and individual rights remains a key concern. Courts often act to prevent excessive executive overreach. While some rights may be limited temporarily during national emergencies, American legal rights as a whole cannot be fully suspended. Any restrictions are subject to legal scrutiny. Historical experience shows that constitutional norms tend to reassert themselves after crises pass. Understanding these dynamics is essential for all citizens as we navigate the complexities of our rights during challenging times.